My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called 726. 726 is a special ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music files, Microsoft Office, and other documents. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So very soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore, and whenever they try to open the specific file, they get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this 726 additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files, and removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't pay the ransom. Now, we recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button to begin the research of your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin, and then you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data. So you need to wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.